In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this instanced mesh animation. I'll use Eevee with bloom turned on. Let's go to Edit mode, right-click, and type S to subdivide it 25 times. If you don't see a curve point in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please remember to click 3D and type E to extrude. Type A to select all, V as in Victor to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's make the plane to follow the path. That will automatically create a 100-frame long animation. I'll create an icosphere, shift-select the plane, and press Ctrl P to parent it. Let's instance the sphere. Ctrl A to make instances real and type M to create a new collection. We'll need to join all the spheres as one, and add a new follow path for that joined mesh. Ctrl J to join. Let's center the joined mesh, and move the origin to the 3D cursor. To make this animation look more interesting, we can animate the rotation of certain axes. We can use this instanced mesh animation method to create a cool looking background for logo animation projects and so on. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.